guys, so today I'm actually going to try and make some 5-spice mhang fun. I've been thinking about doing it for a very long time. It's on my to-do list. Chinese use 5-spice quite a lot, especially when you do siu yuk, when you barbecue pork. The 4 basic ingredients for making 5-spice are 1 cinnamon, 2 star anise, 3 cloves, 4 fennel seeds. The 5th ingredient, some people they put pepper, Sichuan pepper or whatnot. So I'm going to try and mix it up with my 5th ingredient and see whether I can come up with my own sort of unique blend. Hot as well as spice. We say it in Chinese, it's Mhang Lat Fan. So this is my recipe journal for all my test kitchen items. Measure it out and then grind it with hand first, and then finally a spice grinder so that it gets a bit finer. Brought out my bigger grinder because the other one, the Cuisine Art small one, stopped working because it overheated. This one is more powerful. Mhang Lat Fan, 5 hot spice powder. My last grind, I put this in, so I'm just going to mix it now. Smells great. So I'm going to cook a dish tonight for dinner with this to test it out. Okay, what I'm going to do now is prepare the dish to cook to try my Mhang Lat Fan. So I've got some chives. So I'm going to cook chicken and chives. Two full tablespoons of my Mhang Lat Fan, my 5 hot spice powder, 1 tablespoon of Chinese Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster. Very nice.